Hi guys, my name is Sheya Basi. I wanted to just jump in here to say hey, and also to take this opportunity to answer like one of the frequently asked questions that people ask a lot when it comes to immigrating to Canada. Okay, so a lot of people reach out to me and they're like, "Look, Shay, I don't want to come to Canada to study. I'm tired of school. Actually, just want to come and work." And well, that is a very valid question because that's a question that I would ask too. But the thing is, as at now, Canada is not processing any other applications like express entry, work visas, agri pilots, home care pilots, all those ones. For people outside of Canada, they are not processing those applications. Okay, so the only applications they're actually processing right now are like study visas, and then for people who are already in Canada, application processing continues. But for people who are outside of Canada, rather, those who are inside of Canada can apply, but those who are outside of Canada for now, sorry, if you wanted to come to Canada now, you might have to come through the study route. And I would advise you to come through the study route because no one knows what's going to happen when they do open up the express entry and the other route. The government is actually thinking of cutting down those routes by 50%, and then processing times are going to increase. So if you still wanted to come to Canada in this year, just think about it. Study is like 1 or 2 years, and before you know, it is over. And you would actually have finished studying, be able to apply for your permanent residence, and then come to Canada. Okay guys, I just wanted to jump in and say hello and then just chip that in. Take care, bye.